Well, natural language processing is revolutionizing how humans interact with computers. It's based on the idea that humans can chat with a computer, ask it questions, and even give it commands. But there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. In fact, this is just the tip of the iceberg. So, watch the whole video, folks, and let's dive into the world of NLP and discover how it's transforming our lives. What exactly is NLP? If you've paid attention to recent advancements in AI, you've probably noticed that NLP has become a key feature of modern AI systems. It's one of the main factors that determine an AI's power and sophistication. As AI continues to evolve, NLP will likely play an even bigger role in its development. But how many people truly know what NLP means? Natural language processing is like teaching computers to understand and work with human language, whether it's written or spoken. Imagine you're talking to your phone, asking it to find the nearest pizza place. NLP is what lets your phone understand what you're saying, find the relevant information, and give you directions. And all this without you needing to type a single word. NLP uses a mix of language rules, statistics, and fancy algorithms to make this happen. It's like a recipe with different ingredients. Computational linguistics, that's like the grammar and the structure of language. Machine learning, teaching computers to learn from data. And deep learning, a super smart way for computers to learn on their own. Now, if you still don't understand it, let me break it down with a common example. When you ask your phone, "Where's the best pizza near me?" NLP kicks in. First, it recognizes that you're asking for information about pizza. Then, it understands your location and finds nearby pizza places. But it doesn't stop there. It also figures out which one is the best based on reviews or ratings. All this happens in a flash, thanks to NLP. You know, you've probably come across NLP in everyday life, like when you use voice commands to control your smart speaker or get directions from your GPS. But it's not just for fun and convenience. NLP is also making waves in the business world, and we'll get to that soon. In short, NLP is like giving computers the power to understand and use language, making our lives easier and businesses more efficient. Wondering if you can utilize NLP to your utmost advantage? The answer is yes, and I will reveal those ways right now. Number 1, for spam detection. Spam detection relies on NLP's text analysis skills to sift through emails and spot suspicious patterns that suggest spam or phishing attempts. Think of it like a digital detective that scans for certain clues in the language used. For instance, if an email is packed with financial jargon, has sloppy grammar, or sounds overly urgent, it could raise a red flag. Even misspelled company names or threatening language can signal trouble. Here's a simple example that I've also encountered. Imagine you receive an email claiming you've won a lottery you never entered. It's filled with errors and asks you for your bank details urgently. A good spam detector, powered by NLP, can quickly flag this as potential spam, protecting you from falling into a scam. While spam detection isn't perfect, it's one of the areas where NLP has made significant strides, making our digital lives safer by keeping unwanted junk out of our inboxes. Number 2, for machine translation. Machine translation, like Google Translate, is a handy tool powered by NLP. It's not just about swapping words, it's about capturing the essence and tone of the input and conveying it accurately in another language. For instance, translating "the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak" from English to Russian used to yield odd results like "the vodka is good, but the meat is rotten." Now with advancements, it's closer to the original meaning. The spirit desires, but the flesh is weak. This progress reflects improved accuracy in translation tools. Effective translation isn't just about words, it's about conveying the intended message faithfully. Machine translation tools undergo continuous improvement to achieve this. Testing translation by translating text to another language and back helps gauge accuracy. It's essential for various purposes, from international communication to translating documents and websites. As NLP evolves, machine translation will continue to improve, making cross-language communication more accessible and reliable for everyone. Number 3, for virtual agents and chatbots. When we talk about real-life uses for NLP, one big area is virtual agents and chatbots. These are like digital helpers that we can talk to or type messages to, and they can understand what we're saying and respond accordingly. Think about Siri on your iPhone or Alexa on an Amazon Echo. When you ask them a question or give them a command, they use NLP to figure out what you mean and then respond in a way that makes sense. Chatbots work similarly, but instead of speaking, we type messages to them. They can be found in customer service chat windows or websites, or even in messaging apps like Facebook Messenger. These bots use NLP to understand our questions or requests and then provide helpful responses or actions. The cool thing is that these virtual agents and chatbots are getting smarter over time. They learn from the questions people ask and the responses they give, so they can provide even better help in the future. One exciting development is question answering, where these bots can give detailed and relevant answers to all sorts of questions we throw at them, making them even more useful in our daily lives. Number 4, NLP for social media sentiment analysis. Here, it's like teaching a computer to understand people's feelings and opinions on social media platforms. NLP helps computers grasp the subtle confusion in language like sarcasm and irony, which humans use a lot online. For example, if you have a business, NLP-powered sentiment analysis can help you keep an eye on what people are saying about your brand. You can quickly spot negative comments and address them before they blow up into bigger issues. It's like having a radar for customer satisfaction. Moreover, NLP lets you dive deeper into understanding customer reactions to your marketing campaigns or new product languages. You can see if people are excited, disappointed, or somewhere in between. This information is like gold for businesses because it helps them tweak their strategies for better results. By periodically analyzing sentiment, you can also learn what specific aspects of your business customers love or hate. Maybe they adore your new product feature but aren't thrilled with your customer service. Armed with this knowledge, you can make targeted improvements to enhance overall customer satisfaction. Number 5, for text extraction. Text extraction, powered by NLP, helps automate the detection of specific information in text like names, companies, places, and more. Think of it like a smart scanner that can recognize important details in a sea of words. If you're among those people who receive lots of support tickets via email, with text extraction, you can quickly spot key info like company names, order numbers, and email addresses without reading every single ticket by hand. But make no mistake, text extraction isn't just about finding words. It's about understanding context too. If you're dealing with loads of text data like customer reviews or feedback, NLP can pick out important keywords. These keywords give you a snapshot of what people are talking about most, helping you understand their concerns or interests better. Plus, when combined with sentiment analysis, as I just explained a few minutes ago, which gauges whether people's opinions are positive, negative, or neutral, text extraction becomes even more powerful. It can reveal which words customers use most often to express dissatisfaction or praise. This insight can guide improvements to products or services, making them more aligned with customer needs and preferences. Alright folks, let's take a quick break before we get to number 6. If you find our work helpful and valuable, do consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video to stay updated with the latest AI news and to support us. Also, sharing our videos with your friends and family would be immensely helpful. Okay, now let's get back to number 6. Number 6, for intent classification. Intent classification is a crucial aspect of natural language processing, where the aim is to understand the purpose behind a text. For instance, in customer service, NLP helps in determining what customers are trying to achieve through their messages, whether it's seeking information, expressing satisfaction, or complaining about a problem. Let's say you receive emails about customers inquiring about your products. With intent classification powered by NLP, you can automatically categorize these emails into different groups, such as interested, not interested, or unsubscribe. This not only saves time, but also enables you to prioritize and respond to customer queries effectively. When it comes to sales, NLP aids in identifying potential leads by analyzing conversations on platforms like chat, email, or social media. By swiftly recognizing the intent behind these interactions, businesses can swiftly engage with interested prospects and convert them into customers. Similarly, in customer support, NLP helps in detecting signals indicating dissatisfaction or potential churn. By flagging such instances, companies can intervene promptly to address customer concerns and prevent them from switching to competitors, thus enhancing customer retention and loyalty. Undeniably, NLP is an exciting and rapidly developing field with huge potential for transforming how we interact with computers. It's already playing a major role in development of AI, and that role is likely to increase in the future. So, drop an NLP in the comments to let us know you watched the whole video, and if you've enjoyed learning about NLP, I hope you'll like and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into the world of AI. Thanks for watching, folks. See you in the next one. You all take care.